Noise is an interesting topic because it's very personal. And, well, in the architect community, sound has always been somewhat of an afterthought. Once the space is developed, then we have to come in and apply treatment to tune it to where it needs to be. But with the tools that are out there today, you can design and install a very aesthetic and acoustic setting in a room or a space that will give you the equipment and the behavior that you're needing for that space without costing the extra money to treat it after the fact. I think certification is a very good thing. It helps to make the public more aware of the influence of acoustics on our daily life. So by having LEED and other certifications available that are driving people to think more about sound on the front end of projects rather than on the back end of projects, I believe we are early on in the acoustic process. It's going to build over the years and become more and more important. Working with Owens Corning, you're dealing with a company who has been involved in acoustics and noise control since World War II, when Owens Corning first put some insulation materials into aircraft, and it made them quieter. And so since then, Owens Corning has worked to refine and improve their materials from an acoustic and thermal standpoint to provide the best possible combination to its customers. Those acoustic materials are developed in one of the best acoustic laboratories in the world. It's a member of the National Voluntary Lab Accreditation Program, which is administered through the National Institute of Standards and Technologies. Acoustics is a challenging science. It involves a lot of things that are non-intuitive. A good parallel would be in the automotive industry, where 25 years ago, many, even the smaller, less expensive cars were quite noisy, and only very high luxury cars were very quiet. Now, if you compare a vehicle today to a vehicle from then, you're going to find that most vehicles have very high levels of noise control to provide a much better environment. And people are starting to look to that in the architectural space as well. Because again, acoustics is very personal, and as people are more comfortable and they like the environments, they're going to start to demand it.